lessons. Don't be the professional guy at estimating or guessing. Ask your question to Professor 7. Not 7 questions or 21. This ain't a frickin' pop quiz. Yeah, who's your papa kids? I'm about to pop a cap in this bitch. Yeah, then I get a stomach popping out of her hips. Yeah, man. When she steps in front of the windshield, she's like an eclipse. A lunatic. Yeah, I'm the insomniac that's always interested in being awake for feet, not inches. Makes sense to me, but centimeters go the distance. Yeah, blisters, cause I got the ignorance. Yeah, is that good enough for